This video is part of a series that shows you the basics of how to set up Webdocs security model. In this video, you'll learn about document types and how you create them to help organize and secure documents. The instructions in this video assume that you have installed, licensed, and configured Webdocs Windows Edition, and that you have watched the video Webdocs Windows Edition Security and Overview, and the videos on users and groups and folders. In the previous video, you learned how folders help you control who can work with which documents. In this video, you'll learn how to use document types with folders to help secure documents, and how document types organize documents so that users can find all the documents they need when they search. A document type is a category which contains different kinds of related documents that are used to complete a task or tasks. So, a document type is not a specific kind of document like an invoice or a purchase order. Instead, a document type is often the name of a functional area, like accounts payable, and contains many different kinds of documents, including invoices and purchase orders. Then, users can search the AP document type for, say, an invoice number and find the invoice, purchase order, and check with that invoice number. In most cases, you want only one document type per folder. You then grant access to these documents at the folder level. However, if you need to, you can also store multiple document types in the same folder. For example, you might set up one document type for general accounts payable documents, but need another document type specifically for receiving documents. Since accounts payable will use both document types, it makes sense to store them both in the accounts payable folder. If you then want some users and groups to see one document type and not the other, granting access to the folder is not specific enough. Instead, you can give users and groups access to the document types to more precisely define who can view which documents. Here's how to create document types. First, log into Webdocs as an administrator. Click the Settings tab. Under Quick Actions on the left, click Create New Document Type. Then in the New Document Type page, fill out the document type information. Type the name of this document type. Often this is the name of a functional area, like AP. If you want to, you can set this document type to expire after a certain number of days. I'll leave it at 0 so that it never expires. Then enter the names of the search keys users will use to find documents. To learn about how to best implement search keys for your organization, talk to your RJS project team. In this example, Acme Company has chosen invoice number as the first search key. You can also require a user to fill a search key when they add a document to Webdocs. You can use up to 30 search keys. To display more fields, just click Show More. After you've typed all the search keys you need, click Save Document Type. We get a confirmation message and the document type is created. In a later video, you'll learn how to grant users and groups access to the document types you created by using permissions. Now that you know how to create document types, continue to the next video where you'll learn about permissions.